If you own a truck powered by a HEMI V8, this is the moment you've been waiting for. After years of complaints, dealer visits, and countless forum threads, Ram Trucks has finally confirmed a real fix for the infamous HEMI oil leak problem, arriving in the 2027 model year. And this isn't just another minor tweak or service bulletin workaround. This is a full engineering correction targeting the root causes that have frustrated owners of the legendary HEMI V8 engine for years. The short version? Ram redesigned the sealing system, improved crankcase pressure management, upgraded materials, and reworked critical failure points like the oil filter housing and rear main seal. These changes aim to eliminate the slow leaks, oil residue buildup, and long-term reliability concerns that have quietly affected thousands of trucks. But here's the real story. This fix didn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of internal testing, field data, and engineering revisions across the broader Stellantis portfolio. And according to industry experts, this could be the most important durability upgrade the HEMI platform has received in over a decade. Let's break down exactly what went wrong, what Ram changed for 2027, and whether this finally makes the HEMI one of the most reliable V8s again. What actually caused the HEMI oil leak problem? The HEMI oil leak issue wasn't just one problem, it was a combination of small weaknesses that added up over time. 1. Valve cover gasket degradation. One of the most common leak sources came from the valve cover gaskets. Over time, heat cycling caused the gasket material to harden and lose elasticity. Once that seal weakened, oil began to seep out slowly, often unnoticed, until it coated the engine. 2. Oil filter housing cracks. Another major failure point was the oil filter housing. On some versions of the HEMI, this component used composite materials that could develop hairline cracks. Once that happened, oil leaks weren't just possible, they were inevitable. 3. Rear main seal failures. This is the big one. Rear main seal leaks are expensive, hard to access, and often require major labor. Many owners reported slow drips that worsened over time, especially under towing or high-load conditions. 4. Crankcase pressure imbalance. This is where things get more technical. Per crankcase, ventilation could cause pressure buildup inside the engine. That pressure forces oil past seals, even if those seals are technically intact. Why this became such a big deal? The reason the HEMI oil leak problem exploded in popularity wasn't just the leaks themselves, it was the frequency and inconsistency. Some owners never experienced issues. Others dealt with repeated repairs. That inconsistency created a perception problem for Ram, especially as competitors like Ford Motor Company and General Motors pushed reliability improvements in their own V8 and turbo platforms. For truck buyers, reliability isn't optional, it's everything. Oil leaks might seem minor at first, but over time they can lead to oil level drops and engine wear, burning oil smell and smoke, environmental concerns, expensive repairs outside warranty. That's why this fix matters so much. The 2027 HEMI fix, what Ram actually changed. According to internal engineering insights and early reports, the 2027 update is not a patch, it's a redesign. 1. Next generation gasket materials. Ram has switched to high-temperature, multi-layer gasket compounds designed to resist hardening over time. These materials maintain flexibility even after years of heat cycles. 2. Reinforced oil filter housing. The problematic composite housing has been replaced or reinforced with metal-based or hybrid materials, drastically reducing the risk of cracks. 3. Redesigned rear main seal. This is arguably the biggest upgrade. The new seal features improved lip geometry and stronger materials to handle pressure and rotation more effectively. 4. Improved crankcase ventilation system. Ram engineers focused heavily on airflow and pressure regulation. By stabilizing crankcase pressure, they reduce the chance of oil being forced past seals. 5. Tighter manufacturing tolerances. This is subtle but critical. Better precision during assembly ensures seals are properly seated and less prone to early failure. Expert insights. Why this fix took so long? Industry experts say this kind of issue is deceptively complex. Fixing oil leaks isn't just about replacing a gasket, it requires understanding how heat cycles affect materials, pressure builds inside the engine, components expand and contract over time. One powertrain engineer explained it like this: you're not fixing a leak, you're fixing a system. If you don't address pressure, materials, and tolerances together, the problem comes back. That's exactly why Ram waited until 2027 to roll out a complete solution instead of issuing partial fixes year after year. How the 2027 HEMI compares to older versions. Older HEMI engines were known for strong power and torque, classic V8 sound, good towing capability. But they also carried inconsistent long-term sealing reliability, occasional oil seepage issues, costly repairs in some cases. The 2027 version aims to keep everything people love while eliminating the weaknesses. What this means for truck owners. For current owners, this news is both good and frustrating. Good, because Ram has finally solved the problem. Frustrating, because the full fix is tied to newer models. However, there's a strong possibility that some of these improvements will trickle down into updated replacement parts, service upgrades, aftermarket solutions. If that happens, even older HEMI engines could benefit. Is the HEMI reliable again? The big question, does this fix restore trust in the HEMI? Based on what we know so far, yes, but with a condition. If the 2027 updates perform as expected in real-world conditions, the HEMI could once again be considered one of the most durable, naturally aspirated V8s, a top choice for towing and long-term ownership, a simpler alternative to turbocharged engines. But real proof will come from high-mileage testing, owner feedback, long-term reliability data. The bigger picture. Why this matters for Ram. This isn't just about fixing an oil leak. It's about restoring confidence in one of the most iconic truck engines ever built. The HEMI name carries decades of history, and issues like this can damage that reputation quickly. By addressing the problem head-on, Ram is sending a clear message. They're not abandoning the V8, they're improving it. And in a world moving towards smaller turbo engines and electrification, that matters more than ever. Final thoughts. The 2027 HEMI oil leak fix is more than just a technical update. It's a turning point. For years, owners have dealt with small leaks that turned into big frustrations. Now, Ram Trucks appears to have finally delivered the solution everyone wanted, a properly engineered, long-term fix that addresses the root causes instead of the symptoms. If you're considering a future Ram truck, this update could be the reason to wait for 2027. And if you already own a HEMI, it may signal better parts and solutions are finally on the way. One thing is clear, the HEMI story isn't over. It just got a major upgrade.